Emotional intelligence, according to Robbins and Hensaker, is the ability to monitor one's and others' emotions and feelings, discriminate among them, and use this information to guide you into one's thinking and action. My name is Otabil Solex Perry, and I am your Boston TV host for the day. Otabella and Miranda are colleagues that have been assigned onto a big project together. Miranda is always late for her deadlines, which makes Otabella frustrated. This leaves Otabella going to Miranda to ask her about her next deadline and when she would submit since she's late. Miranda lies and she says that she is almost done and that she will submit as soon as possible. Miranda is late again. This frustrates Otabella, which she then goes straight to her boss to let her know what's happening. Her boss gives Miranda a written warning, and this kind of flattens the mood. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions and how they affect people around you. Otabella is usually upbeat but gets annoyed easily. She expects positive things to happen to her, whereas Miranda lacks self-confidence, making it difficult for her to work with Otabella a bit. Self-management. It's the ability to understand your feelings and use these understandings effectively to deal with emotional situations. Emotional control. Both Otabella and Miranda lack emotional control, although Otabella lacks more emotional control. This leads to Otabella acting out of anger without understanding the situation, and Miranda lying because she was probably scared of being kicked out of the project, which makes her untrustworthy. Social awareness. This is being able to understand how you react to different social situations and empathize with others from different backgrounds. Otabella is flexible and adjusts to new environments and ideas. Miranda plans her work in advance and remains in control, not always. Relationship management. This is the ability to connect with others in ways that they build positive relationships. Communication is key. Miranda is very good at communication when given the chance to. Otabella is normally able to explain how she feels, although she fails to find the right words. Teamwork is essential. It is important to avoid blaming one another and becoming angry. Using emotional intelligence is advised that you find out the root of the problem. In this case, Otabella should have asked Miranda nicely why she lied, determining the factors that led her to lying. In an ideal situation, Otabella is to consider her motivations, and this is to be done in private and then reach a resolution, which Otabella then can share with her boss. This necessitates backing away from immediate anger reaction and having a gentle conversation about it.